Hey, it's Bradley here. Imagine driving a car so advanced, so powerful, and so luxurious that it literally redefines what's possible on four wheels. Today we're exploring the Bugatti Chiron, the car that took automotive engineering to a completely new level. But hold on, because there's more to the Chiron than just jaw-dropping speed. I'm about to reveal 10 mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. First up, did you know the Chiron's tires alone cost more than most people's entire cars? That's right. Replacing just one set can set you back around $40,000. But why on earth would tires cost so much? Stick with me, because the reason behind this staggering price is genuinely shocking, and I'll uncover that mystery shortly. Next, the Bugatti Chiron's engine isn't just big, it's massive. This monstrous powerhouse is a 16-cylinder quad turbocharged marvel producing nearly 1,500 horsepower. To put that into perspective, that's about 7 times more powerful than the average sedan. But here's the twist. Even with all that power, Bugatti electronically limits the Chiron's top speed. Why would they restrict such an incredible machine? Keep watching, because the answer will definitely surprise you. And speaking of surprises, let's talk about fuel consumption. The Chiron, at maximum speed, can drain its entire fuel tank in under 10 minutes. Imagine cruising along at over 260 miles per hour, only to stop every few minutes to fill up. But how does a car manage such astonishing fuel usage, and why is it even practical to build a car that thirsty? Here's another astonishing fact. Each Bugatti Chiron takes over 6 months to build, entirely by hand. That's right, no mass production lines here. Every single Chiron is meticulously assembled piece by highly skilled craftsmen in France. This extraordinary level of detail is partly why each car comes with such a hefty price tag. But is hand building truly superior to automated assembly, or is it just marketing hype? We'll dig into that fascinating debate in just a moment. Next, let's uncover a truly hidden fact about the Chiron's braking system. At top speed, the Chiron's brakes generate more heat than a small volcano. No, that's not an exaggeration. The carbon ceramic brakes reach temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius. But how exactly do engineers keep the brakes from literally melting? And is this technology even safe for everyday driving? And here's something you probably didn't know. Bugatti tests each Chiron on an incredibly advanced machine called a rolling road dynamometer, capable of simulating speeds up to 300 miles per hour. This allows Bugatti to ensure every car performs flawlessly before delivery. But wait, why don't they just test it on actual roads or tracks instead? I'll reveal exactly why shortly, and trust me, the reason makes perfect sense. Now, back to those tires. Remember the outrageous $40,000 price tag? Here's the shocking reason. They're specially engineered Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, capable of handling the extreme speeds and forces the Chiron generates. At high speeds, ordinary tires would simply disintegrate, making these specialized tires absolutely necessary. But there's more. Bugatti insists you replace the tires every 2,500 miles. That's roughly the same distance as driving from New York to Las Vegas. Imagine spending that much money on tires every single road trip. Here's a fascinating detail you likely missed. Bugatti purposely designed the Chiron speedometer to read up to 500 kilometers per hour. That's about 310 miles per hour, even though the car itself doesn't officially reach that speed. So why display speeds beyond what the car can achieve? Is it just for bragging rights, or is there a hidden message here? We'll unlock that intriguing mystery in just a few moments. Speaking of intriguing mysteries, let's talk about the Chiron's key. Unlike typical car keys, the Chiron's key is a beautifully designed piece of craftsmanship made from leather, aluminum, and even precious stones in custom editions. But there's also a special second key, known as the speed key, which unlocks the car's full performance potential. So why does Bugatti require a second key just to reach maximum speed, and how exactly does it work? Finally, the Chiron isn't just expensive, it's astronomically pricey to maintain. Annual servicing alone can cost upwards of $20,000, and that doesn't even include unexpected repairs or replacements. But why is a Bugatti Chiron so costly to maintain? Is owning one even practical at this point? Or is it purely about status and exclusivity? Stick around, because coming up next, I'm about to uncover more incredible secrets, including the truth behind Bugatti's famous speed restrictions, the mysterious purpose behind their ultra-advanced testing methods, and what really happens when you activate that elusive speed key. Let's dive right back into it. Remember the Chiron's electronically limited top speed I mentioned earlier? Here's the shocking reason behind it. Bugatti deliberately restricts the Chiron's speed to protect both the tires and driver safety. Even with those specialized Michelin tires, exceeding certain speeds regularly would pose massive risks. But get this, when owners activate that mysterious speed key, they're allowed to unleash the car's true potential, unlocking speeds well beyond 260 miles per hour. But is activating this mode safe, or is it purely a daring thrill reserved for the brave? Speaking of brave, Bugatti's advanced rolling road dynamometer isn't just about testing, it ensures that drivers won't need to risk their lives on actual roads to verify top speeds. Real-world conditions are far too unpredictable at those velocities. The dynamometer replicates precise speeds and forces, making it safer, smarter, and more accurate. But here's an intriguing question. Has the Chiron ever officially reached its full potential on a real road? Actually, yes, it has. A modified version, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, famously broke the mythical 300 miles per hour barrier, reaching a mind-blowing 304 miles per hour. This stunning achievement makes the Chiron one of the fastest production cars ever built. But why don't regular Chirons hit these speeds? And what exactly makes the Supersport so uniquely powerful? The answer lies partly in aerodynamics. The Chiron Supersport features an extended tail and refined aerodynamics designed specifically to handle extreme speeds. Small adjustments like these make a huge difference, reducing drag and improving stability. But is aerodynamics alone responsible for such monumental speed records, or is there another hidden factor? In fact, the engine tuning in the Chiron Supersport also plays a crucial role. Engineers squeezed even more horsepower from the already monstrous W16 engine. But here's something you might find surprising. Despite its insane speed capabilities, the Chiron is incredibly comfortable and refined on everyday drives. Bugatti designed it to deliver luxury and smoothness you'd never expect from such a hypercar. But how did Bugatti manage to blend hyper-performance with Rolls-Royce levels of comfort? It all comes down to suspension and build quality. The Chiron employs advanced adaptive suspension technology that continually adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a silky smooth ride at any speed. Inside, every detail from hand-stitched leather seats to beautifully machined aluminum controls is crafted to perfection. Owning a Chiron isn't just about speed, it's an immersive luxury experience that truly sets it apart. Yet with such luxurious craftsmanship and ultra-high performance capabilities, why is the Chiron so astronomically expensive to maintain? Remember that $20,000 annual servicing I mentioned? The costs come from meticulous checks and specialized components that can only be serviced by trained Bugatti technicians. Even minor replacements involve precise calibration and custom parts shipped directly from Bugatti headquarters in France. This unparalleled attention to detail ensures the car always performs flawlessly, but comes at a hefty price. And speaking of price, you probably didn't know how exclusive owning a Chiron truly is. Bugatti produced only 500 Chirons in total, making ownership incredibly rare and prestigious. Every car is extensively personalized. No two Chirons are identical, but how exactly does Bugatti ensure each car remains totally unique? The secret lies in customization. Customers work directly with Bugatti's design team to create a truly bespoke vehicle. Everything, from unique paint finishes and specialized interior stitching to custom engraving and precious metals, can be tailored specifically to the owner's taste. The Chiron isn't just a car, it's a personalized statement piece, ensuring absolute exclusivity. Finally, let's circle back to the speed key. When activated, it doesn't just unlock the car's maximum speed, it transforms the Chiron into an entirely different beast. Suspension stiffens, aerodynamic elements adjust, and the entire car optimizes itself for ultimate performance. It's a thrilling yet controlled experience, meticulously engineered to push boundaries safely. In the end, owning a Bugatti Chiron isn't just about speed or luxury, it's about experiencing automotive engineering at its absolute pinnacle. Every detail, from tires costing more than some houses to secret keys unlocking unheard of power, represents relentless innovation and passion. This car isn't just fast, it's history in motion. Thanks for joining me today. If these mind-blowing facts about the Bugatti Chiron fascinated you, hit subscribe and stay tuned. There's plenty more incredible automotive content coming soon.